In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start practical geometry, unit number 17, exercise 7.2, class 9th. Subject maths. Draw the angles bisector. In these lectures, we will learn how we can draw the angle bisector. Bi means two and sector means parts. So bisection means divide into two equal parts. So first of all, AB is 4.2 centimeter. Now this is the scale. You have to draw a line from 0 to 4, and after 4 you have to count two lines. Then it will be 4.2 centimeter, like this. Now named as AB equals to 4.2 centimeter. Now next one is, now AB you have to draw here. Now next is BC. BC equals to 6 centimeter. Now you have to take scale. You have to open compass from 0 to 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter, from 0 to 6 centimeter. Now I have opened. Now BC, C is not mentioned here, so you have to put compass at point B and draw arc. Now next is measurement CA equals to 5.2 centimeter. Now you have to open compass from 0 to 5, and after 5 you have to count two lines like this. 4.2. Now you have to put compass at point A because C is not mentioned here. You have to put compass at point A and draw arc. Now check that these two arcs intersect each other. Now you have to extend this line like this. Now you have to get the intersection point named as C. Now you have to join C to B, C to B, and next one is C to A. Now that is the measurement of 6 centimeter and that is 5.2 centimeter. Now you have to construct triangle. Now you are going to construct the angle bisectors. Now open compass with suitable radius 1 centimeter or 1.5 or freehand. It's your own choice. Now you have to open compass freehand like this. Put compass at point B and draw semicircle at point B. Now check that this semicircle touch these two sides at point this and this. This is 0 degree. Now you have to put compass at 0 degree and draw first arc. Now you have to put compass at this point and draw second arc. Now you have to get intersection point. Now you have to join this intersection point with angle B like this. Now next one is same procedure you have to repeat for A angle. Now you have to put compass at point A and draw semicircle like this. Now put compass at 0 degree, draw first arc. Now put compass at here and draw the second arc. Now you have to put again compass here and extend this arc. Now you have to get the intersection point. Now you have to join this intersection point with A like this. Now these two angle bisector intersect at this point. Now same procedure you have to repeat for C. You have to draw semicircle at point C. Now put compass at this point and draw first arc. Now you have to put compass at here and draw second arc. Both arcs intersect to each other. Now you have to join with C point like this. Now check that three angle bisector meet at same point named as O. O is a concurrent, point of concurrent or point of concurrency. Concurrent means passes through at a single or same point. So O is a concurrent point or point of concurrency because all the angle bisector of this triangle passes through at O point. So I hope you have to able to construct the triangle and also their angles bisectors. Allah Hafiz.